Hey Purple Pizza Eaters, welcome back to my channel. This is Purple Pizza Chronicles and today we are having breakfast. We're doing a big massive breakfast mukbang for you guys today. Look at what I have. I have sausage links, bacon, pancakes. I made a fresh berry compote sauce, and we have a breakfast scramble that is still kind of hot. It has cheddar cheese. Hash browns, and some eggs, and I just put it into a cast iron skillet, and I topped it off with some chopped onion and tomatoes just to kind of like make it look semi-pretty. And we will be drinking from the coldest water bottle ever. If you would like a free coldest, the giveaway link is in the description below. And without further ado, let's dig in. I am hungry, and I'm sure you guys are too. Let's get this sauce on our cakes. Look at that. Yes. Oh my goodness. So with this sauce, I did some sugar. We have some lemon juice. And then I just let it sit in the pot and get really nice and bubbly until it kind of thickened up. And that's how I created it. Oh my goodness. Let's get her out the way and let's get a quick thumbnail. I don't want to block this. Put it here. All right, we got it. So how are you guys doing today? I hope your day is going great. I'm gonna dig into these pancakes first. Give you guys the first bite. They are the sauce is tart and sweet, and I also have some regular syrup too. I gotta have some regular syrup too, guys. I love hot sauce on my eggs, and this is my favorite hot sauce. I hope you guys are doing good. Hope your morning is going well. So good. I love syrup on my bacon. Crispy bacon. So crispy. I made these pancakes from pancake mix, but I added some stuff. I added some extra sugar, extra like cinnamon, and vanilla extract. And then I whipped them really fast so it can be nice and light and fluffy. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a beanie today because I'm in between the barbershop and I haven't been able to get a haircut. So yeah, I am wearing a beanie. My hair is crazy. I need a haircut, y'all. Just been so busy with, you know, doing lively stuff and My daughter's going to a new school, so I had to like switch all her stuff over. So we had to deal with that kind of stuff. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I thought that was somebody. There's some people talking in the hallway, so if you hear people chit-chatting, y'all already know. Breakfast skillet. Eggs, hash browns, cheese. I seasoned it with some Cajun seasoning, some salt and some pepper. Did you guys catch Teen Mom, Young and Pregnant last night? I like that show. It's a guilty pleasure of mine because I had my daughter at 19, so I was kind of a teen mom, but not really. I was still old enough to like fathom the fact that here's a child that I have to care for. But I was still young in society's eyes, like, you're too young to have a kid. But yeah, I'm gonna turn these around so y'all can see. So I watched the season finale of Teen Mom, Young and Pregnant, and I was so crushed that little Kaya and dang, what's her girlfriend's name? Tiaza broke up. I was so sad, but at the same time, like, I can resonate with how Tiaza feels, like trying to flee what you know is a toxic relationship that just, it just won't work. Like, maybe it'll work one day, but at that moment in time, you definitely feel like, oh, this is not gonna work, So I definitely resonate with how, like, she felt at that moment. And they're young too, so there's so much time ahead of them for them to, like, work it out and, like, be friends. Like, it's okay to, sorry, the shirt is kind of weird. It's okay to say, hey, we're not good lovers right now, but we can be dope friends. Like, it's okay. And Ashley and Barr, that junk was something else. Oh my goodness. I feel where she's coming from too. If you are giving somebody, the benefit of the doubt, like, okay, they're gonna, get their junk together. They're gonna, oh, they're really talking in the hallway. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I got ADD. I don't have ADD, but I have those ADD moments, like squirrel, like, what was I talking about? Sorry. But yeah, I felt what she was talking about too. As far as, like, giving somebody the benefit of the doubt, like, they're going to get their stuff together. You're going to, encourage them to get their stuff together, and then they still don't, and then they still want to mess around and act like there's a whole bunch of time that they have. Like, no, she did the right thing for herself, The only thing I say she was wrong for is introducing the new man to the baby right away. Like, granted, she didn't have much of a choice because he canceled on her to, you know, he canceled on her as a babysitter. But she was low-key wrong for, like, bringing the little girl around him that quick. But he was also wrong for canceling. He did that on purpose. Out of spite. That wasn't yesterday's video. I mean, movie, show, episode, whatever. But it was the week before. Like, she was trying to go out and, like, go to LA for the weekend. And she didn't have the baby. But guilty pleasure, for sure. I love that show. Cinnamon pancakes and berry sauce is so bomb. It's like, I don't know, it tastes like Christmas. Like a spicy cookie with like a jelly center. It's super nice. Bacon. I am not even a bacon fan, really. I just did it, you know, for the video because bacon, eggs, pancakes, they just go so nice. But I cooked the heck out of this bacon today. Like, this bacon is perfectly cooked in my eyes. I'm sucker for some crispy bacon. I like it semi flabby, like loose, and semi crispy. But this came out pretty good today. I didn't burn it like I thought I was. And these sausage are maple brown sugar sausage. Good morning, my purple pizza eaters. I made us breakfast. Come join me. Come on, bring a plate. Bring a plate. What are your guilty pleasure shows? I know I have a few. I have Teen Mom, Young and Pregnant. Oh, I wasn't even done talking about that. Let's talk about, I think the young lady named Janelle. Not Janelle. Is it Janelle? Yeah. She was dating, well, he changed his name officially to Milo, but she was dating Danae. That's was his original name that he was born with, but he prefers Milo. So Milo and Janelle rekindled their friendship, which I'm very happy about because he changed. He became who he was born to be, and he was no longer suppressing. So I say thumbs up to him because it takes a lot to say, hey, I messed up, I was wrong, I did y'all dirty. Excuse me. It takes a lot to say that, especially, excuse me, being someone that has dated a transgender person. Like my ex from like 4 or 5 years ago was transgender, and we had no idea. And he, like, before he began his transition, he was very mean, very hateful, just spewing out negativity. And it was because he hated himself. You know, at the time he felt like, I can't be who I want to be, and you are fully who you want to be, and that's not fair, you know? So I totally am all for them, like, rekindling their friendship and taking it slow, and for her forgiving him and all that good stuff. But her mom is like, I don't trust you, which, you know, you have every right to be like that as a mom, as a mama bear, you know? These things are so fluffy, but they're low-key thick, too. Add some more syrup. And that coldest water keeps your water cold for days or days. I love this water bottle so much. You already know. And I like Real Housewives of Atlanta. They are so crazy, but so amazing at the same time. I really watch the show for like what they're eating, for how like they're dressing, and like the style that they're gonna like style their hair. I watch for that, for real. Mm. Oh, now. I'm right by a window. Garbage truck, honey. It's right by this window. I'm full. I tried. This garbage truck gonna be getting on my nerves trying to record this video. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for joining me for breakfast, my Purple Pizza Eaters. Thank you guys so much. I love to give you guys content. So leave some video ideas that you would like for me to shoot. Excuse me. Goodness. Leave your video suggestions down at the comments below. Also, check me out on social media so you know when I have different giveaways, contests, and other things going on. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post. And until next time, my Purple Pizza Eaters, peace. Mwah, and